Hey boys and girls, this is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry for being away. Life has been a little crazy lately. For those of you who don't know, my mom passed away. So for the past few weeks, my brothers and I have been trying to get our lives together. And yeah, so it's not been easy, but we're getting by. And I appreciate those of you who have already responded and through emails or messages, what have you. We really appreciate it, and thank you very much for your kind words. We appreciate that. But I hate to start the video off on a somber note, but trying to get back into things, and part of that is also just resuming life as we need to. As you saw in the opening there, getting rid of the helmet, departing with the Scorpion EXO carbon helmet, this little baby right here. Yeah, she's being retired. Our fine people over at Scorpion have said it's been nearly 6 years, Ted, time for a new helmet. So they sent me a new one, and we're gonna open the box and we're gonna set it up. And that's what this video is all about. And then in the next video, hopefully we'll take it for a ride. Maybe sooner, we'll see. All right. So let's, so yeah, being retired. So we're going to go ahead and get the new helmet going. So let's get busy. Now, in complete 100% honesty, this is the first time I'm opening this box. I have not looked at this at all yet. I'm pretty excited. Pin lock. There's stuff in here too. Let's look. What's in here? Do not discard, may contain parts. There's something in here. It's a manual. It's the face shield. And all right, here we go. Drum roll, please. That is badass. Look at that. That is just a thing of beauty. Beauty. I think I should put it on my head. What do you think? Okay. And here we go. Oh man. It's got that new helmet smell. The things that will be installed on this helmet, the accoutrements, will be of course the face shield, the pin lock, the camera mount, And lastly, the Sena SMH10 headset communications El Cheapo thing. And of course, microphone. And that's it. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, so now we're back. This is day 2, by the way. It got really hot in here, and despite the air conditioner running, it still got a little warm in here. Well, I had to shut the air conditioner off, otherwise you'd never hear me. So now we're going to just go ahead and mount everything inside the helmet, give everything a test, and hopefully take it for a ride. Let's go. Okay, now the real test to see if the camera will work and the audio will work with the microphone fine. All right, let's see. Close to the pin. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this works. I mean, it seems to be fine. All right, seems like it's good. It's a little solid on my head, I can tell you that. Everything seems solid. Yeah, everything seems good. Well, I guess we're going to find out if the sound is working. 3 o'clock. Sun's coming out. I think I should go for a ride. I haven't been for a ride in a long time. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, one of the cool things about what Scorpion had sent me, this helmet, the helmet not only comes with the shield that's attached to the helmet, but it also comes with another shield. Okay. And of course it comes with the pin lock kit. Now what's cool about this is, now I can put the pin lock on the shield that's on the helmet. I can do that. But Scorpion sends me a shield that is already a pin lock setup. See, it's got these little pin holes right there, little holes right there. It's got that. And you can see the outline right here, that section of shield. So it's got the coating on it. So I'm going to put this on, because it's got these little dots, I'm going to put this on instead of using the pin lock. Okay, that's it for now. Let's go see about taking a ride. Oops. Alright, boys and girls, we're here out on the bike, and everything's hooked up, everything's working. I really love the helmet. Super nice. It's a little snug, but that'll work in. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below, and then comment. I always respond to your comments. Let's get me to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Yeah. All right, kids. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right. Thank you very much to Scorpion Helmets for the lid. It's awesome. I love it. Maybe I should give away the old one. I mean, I don't know if anybody would want it, but should I give it away? Let me know if I should give it away. I don't know. Who knows? All right, kids, that's it. You be good. Peace out. Rock and roll.